itong topic natin today is the start of the ending dahil nagsisimula na po yung euphoria natin. Everybody wants to be in Bitcoin. Crypto bull market. Ngayon pa lang nila tinitignan yung start ng bull market. A lot of people, eto na nga, tinatanong, bull run na po ba? Matagal na nating sinasabi na nag-start na po yung bull run. Ngayon, uulitin ko na lang kung paano nyo po madedetect kasi patapos na po yung bull market. There are 4 stages in a bull market. Kailan po ba yan nagsisimula? Nagsisimula po yan in the most pessimistic time of the market. Kailan po ba yung most pessimistic time in the market? That was when FTX collapse in 2022. Pinanganak na po yung bull. Yun po yung pababa yung market. Yung bull, ayan na. Meron ka ng sanggol. Maliit pa lang, hindi pa namamalayan, wala pang gustong bumili. Second stage is skepticism stage. Skepticism yung umabot na po tayo noong 2023, bumasag tayo ng 20k and a lot of traders are still skeptic. Hindi, bababa pa yan. Magte-10k pa yan, mag-8k pa yan. Nag-aalangan pa nung nasa 20-25k ang Bitcoin. That was 2023. That's the second stage. The third stage is the optimism stage. Optimism stage, eto po kakatapos lang. Kailan po nagsimula yung optimism stage? 2024, March, nung pumasok yung mga ETFs. Nung na-approve yung ETF, bumomba tayo sa 73k. A lot of traders are so optimistic na this is it. And the optimistic stage, sadly, natapos na po. Kailan po natapos? Nung na-elect si Donald Trump. Alright? Ngayon, ano yung final stage? Nandun na tayo sa final stage. The final stage is euphoria. A bull dies in euphoria. It is born during the most pessimistic time and it dies during euphoria. So, ito na po yun. Nagsisimula na po yung euphoric stage ng market. So, expect mo na yung bull na yan in a few weeks or months is going to die. Yan po yung cycle ng market. I've been here for 16 years and I've been in 2 bear markets and 2 bull markets. Pare-parehas po sila. No exception. So kaya po itong topic natin today is the start of the ending dahil nagsisimula na po yung euphoria natin. Everybody wants to be in Bitcoin. Tito, gano'ng katagal po ba yan? Tito, paano namin malalaman kung tapos na po yan? Okay, is first sign na malapit na matapos yung euphoria, ha? Pagka marami ng basher si Tito. Ito, ikiklip ko po ito. Titignan natin kung marami magiging basher. Pag marami ng basher si Tito G, dahil sinasabi natin matatapos na in a few weeks or months ang bull market, it's confirmed. Euphoria na po yan. Because everybody doesn't want the market to crash. Why? Because majority of these new traders, kakapasok lang eh. KJ ka naman, Tito, kakapasok lang namin. Di ba kaka-breakout lang, Tito? Ito pong last stage na to, ito yung may pinakamabilis at pinakamalaking upside. You just have to ride this very well and make sure when the bull dies, when the bull is dying, you are already out in the market. Huwag ka nang sumama dun sa 60%, 70%, 80% correction. Nahuhuli nyo po ba? For me, I've been in 2 bear markets and 2 bull markets. So far, yung 4-year cycle na yan, hindi pa sumasablay. I hope I'm wrong. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. Sino ba ayaw? Pero tayo, we're just relying on data, we're relying on the charts. Ano ba sinasabi sa atin ng chart?